Spiritual plants go beyond decoration, acting as natural carriers of peace, purity, and positive energy. Placing the right plants in your home helps reduce negativity, improve harmony, and create a calming atmosphere. Let's quickly explore some of the best spiritual plants known to attract positivity and uplift the energy of your living space. Money plant, Epipremnum aureum, is widely valued for its ability to enhance positive energy in indoor spaces. Its vibrant green, heart-shaped leaves create a refreshing and calming atmosphere that helps reduce stress and mental fatigue. The plant improves indoor air quality by absorbing toxins, which supports better breathing and overall well-being. Its strong growth habits symbolize vitality and continuous progress, encouraging optimism and motivation. When kept indoors, the money plant promotes a peaceful environment, improves mood, and brings a sense of freshness and balance, making living spaces feel more lively, healthy, and energetically positive. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei, is well known for creating a calm and positive indoor environment. Its elegant white flowers and deep green leaves bring a sense of freshness and tranquility, helping to reduce stress and mental tension. The plant improves indoor air quality by absorbing harmful toxins and increasing humidity, which supports better breathing and comfort. Peace lilies thrive in low light, making them ideal for indoor spaces. Their gentle presence promotes emotional balance, relaxation, and a soothing atmosphere, making homes feel cleaner, lighter, and filled with positive energy. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, is appreciated for the calm and refreshing atmosphere it creates indoors. Its pleasant fragrance helps ease mental stress, supports relaxation, and encourages emotional stability. The soothing aroma is known to improve sleep quality and reduce feelings of restlessness. Lavender also contributes to a cleaner, fresher indoor environment, making spaces feel lighter and more welcoming. Its soft purple flowers add visual beauty while uplifting mood and concentration. When kept near a sunny window or well-lit area, lavender promotes a peaceful ambience, emotional comfort, and a steady flow of positive energy throughout the living space. Rose rosa. These plants are known for the uplifting and comforting atmosphere they create. Their beautiful blooms and gentle fragrance help improve mood, encourage positivity, and reduce emotional stress. Roses add warmth and freshness to indoor or garden spaces, making the environment feel more welcoming and lively. The presence of a rose plant can promote emotional balance, calm the mind, and enhance feelings of joy and appreciation. With proper care and light, roses contribute to a refreshing surroundings, inspire positivity, and help maintain a harmonious and pleasant living space filled with natural beauty. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, is valued for its ability to create a healthier and more positive indoor environment. Its upright, strong leaves give a sense of stability and freshness to any space. The plant helps improve air quality by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen, even at night, which supports better breathing and restful sleep. Snake plants require minimal care, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. When placed indoors, they help reduce mental fatigue, enhance focus, and maintain a clean, calm, and balanced atmosphere throughout the living space. Bamboo plant, Dracena sanderiana, is admired for the fresh and lively feeling it brings to indoor spaces. Its upright green stalks create a sense of openness and balance, helping rooms feel calm and refreshing. Bamboo plants are easy to maintain and adapt well indoors, making them ideal for homes and offices. They contribute to improved air quality and create a soothing environment that supports focus and relaxation. When placed in living areas or workspaces, bamboo plants help uplift mood, encourage positivity, and maintain a light, pleasant atmosphere. Jasmine, Jasminum sambac, is cherished for the refreshing and uplifting atmosphere it creates. Its sweet, natural fragrance helps ease mental tension and promotes a sense of calm and comfort. The pleasant aroma can improve mood, reduce stress, and create a welcoming indoor environment. These plants also add freshness to the air, making spaces feel lighter and more pleasant. When grown near windows or balconies, jasmine enhances emotional well-being, encourages relaxation, and fills the surroundings with a gentle, positive energy that feels soothing and revitalizing. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller, is valued for the clean and refreshing environment it helps create indoors. Its thick green leaves release oxygen and improve air quality, making spaces feel healthier and more comfortable. Aloe vera supports a calm atmosphere by reducing indoor pollutants and adding natural freshness. The plant is easy to maintain and thrives in bright light, making it ideal for homes and offices. Its presence promotes a sense of balance, relaxation, and vitality, contributing to a positive, soothing, and naturally uplifting living space. Money tree, Pachira aquatica, is admired for the bright, uplifting energy it brings to indoor spaces. Its braided trunk and lush green leaves create a visually appealing, refreshing environment that promotes calmness and focus. The plant helps improve air quality and adds a sense of vitality and freshness to any room. Easy to care for, it thrives in indirect light, making it perfect for homes and offices. Having a money tree indoors encourages a positive, balanced atmosphere, enhances mood, and fosters a lively and inviting space filled with natural energy and a sense of well-being.